Hey everyone, are you tired of seeing the error server is busy? Please try again later. Error code receive a message every time you try to play PUBG Mobile. I have the ultimate fix for you. This is a brand new solution that works perfectly on both iOS and Android devices. No need to worry about bans or risks. This method is 100% safe, legal and won't affect on your account. Plus, unlike other fixes, this one won't slow down your ping, reduce your speed or cause lag. So, you will be able to play PUBG Mobile smoothly just like before. So here is what you will gain after this video. A permanent fix for the server is busy error, a completely free solution that works for all regions, no lag, no slowdown and no risk for your account. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest PUBG Mobile updates. So now let's jump right in and to the fix. Hello and welcome back my friends. We are in the first chapter which is made for Android users. So in the first chapter we will solve the problem on Android devices, and in the next chapter, I mean chapter 2, we will solve it. So to fix the server is busy problem, first of all go to your Play Store and type and search for DNS Changer Appsio. Here as you can see, DNS Changer Appsio. Actually guys, the Appsio is developer of this perfect app which is free and perfect. So as you can see here on the Play Store, DNS Changer is with blue icon. Just tap here and you will see Appsio as a developer. Just tap on here. Tap on continue to complete your account setup. Just continue by skip, and here wait a few moments for the download and installation process to complete. The size of app is about 60 megabyte, which is so small, so it doesn't take. So just my friends, be patient and wait about a couple of the seconds. It will be down soon. And after the app is fully installed, open the app from home screen or here. Just tap on the DNS Changer icon to open up it. Let me check the record actually. So tap here, and after that just tap on accept. Again accept to all, and here you will see the main page. In this page guys, you will see DNS1 and DNS2, which is optional. So we will actually write the DNS on both DNS1 and DNS2. So first of all, we will try to first erase the fields and then try to fill the fields with our custom DNS. So first of all, on the DNS1, try to type this amount of DNS code. As you can see here, type this DNS code here, 193.64.53.185. Now go to second fields, tap here and try to type 37.32.123.30. So guys, take a screenshot from here and save it on your gallery and then use it. So here you will see the DNS1 and DNS2, and just tap on start. Just tap here on got it and try to connect to the DNS. Now tap on OK and give it access to your DNS changer and wait till connecting is changed to connected. So wait, and that's it. As you can see, connection succeed. So just tap on the close and you will see the whole DNS changer button is green, which is mean our DNS is connected to the main server successfully. So after that, here is the time to open up your PUBG Mobile and try to test your DNS and enjoy the playing of the game on PUBG Mobile without any lag or problem. So wait couple of the seconds and be patient, my friends, to test it with each other, and hope actually this DNS work for you too. I don't have any information of the guy who are in the another country or another region. I test this DNS in my country and works for today, and I hope it works for you. So if you have any idea or if it doesn't work for you, please just text me on the Telegram, and I will try to make another video which is work on your region and your area. So as you can see, that's it guys, we are connected to the PUBG Mobile on this device. As you can see, I try to test it on emulator on my device because I don't have Android devices, and as you can see, here is the main page of my PUBG Mobile. Everything is okay, I didn't get any error, so it works perfectly. Now it's time to go to the next chapter, I mean chapter 2 for iOS user, and maybe in the next chapter you will get more information. So I want you to watch the video till the end. Now we are on the second chapter, which is made for iOS user, and we will use this app for iOS user DNS override. So guys, first of all, open up your App Store on your iPhone or iPad, and then go to the search bar and search for DNS override. As you can see guys, DNS override, and try to search, and on the result you will see the actually current DNS override, which you must just tap here on the get and try to download it. After the app is completely downloaded, open it. After open up your app, you may see a number of DNS profile by default, but we have nothing to do with them. So look for the actually add profile section or add DNS. So here I found the add DNS profile, so just need to tap on it, and here on the profile name you can use, for example, PUBG Mobile or whatever you want. So here I will type PUBG Mobile. On the DNS type section we have a three type DNS, I mean normal DNS, DNS over HTTPS, or DNS over TLS. So we will stand by the default, which is normal DNS. And on the DNS servers guys, you have two options, server 1, and you can add more DNS server. So type on DNS server on server 1 this code 193.64.53.185. Now tap on add DNS server and go to DNS server 2. So try to type this code 37.32.123.30. So guys, you can take a screenshot from this page and you will use it later. Now just turn it on your current DNS here or over here. Just turn on or turn off your toggle and close the DNS, I mean minimize it, and let me show you the proof of today. Today is 20 of March, as you can see, 2025. Now it's time to just open the PUBG Mobile and show you this DNS works till now guys. I don't know about maybe 2 hours later, maybe tomorrow. Just work now recently. My friends, PUBG Mobile will ban the DNS server. I don't know why, what is the main reason, but it's actually this type of DNS code works today, and I will upload this video just about 20 minutes later, and you will find it on YouTube channel. So as you can see, that's it. We entered to the game perfectly and completely, and just let me start the game and you can see the quality of this DNS, the ping, FPS I mean, which is so great. Just let me add some speed to the video to don't waste your time. And now guys, we are on the game. As you can see, the ping is about 100, which is so good. And now this is my gameplay. As you can see, everything is worked perfectly. And that's it, my friends, for today. Now you know how to fix server is busy error in PUBG Mobile and get back into the game hassle free. Remember, this method is 100% safe, legal, and won't get your account banned. So it's also completely free and keeps your game running smoothly without no lag. If this worked for you, drop a comment below and let me know. I love hearing from you guys and I will be answering your questions. Before you go, don't forget to like this video to help others find it, and subscribe for more PUBG fixes and gaming updates. Turn on notifications so you never miss out any tips. Share this video with your friends who need this fix. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.